How to change DNS in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change DNS settings in Windows 11. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your settings application. Simply press on Windows plus I key from your keyboard in order to open the settings directly, or you may also click on this search bar at the bottom left and there search for settings application. Now once you reach the settings page, here from the left side, look for network and internet option. Once you locate it, simply click on it and then you will be presented with the network and internet section. Now from here you will need to select your connection type, whether Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Here I am selecting Wi-Fi option. Simply click on it. And now inside it, you'll need to look for hardware properties option. Once you get this option, simply click on it. And now here, find DNS server assignment option. Once you locate it, at the right side, you'll be able to locate edit button. Simply click on this edit button and a pop-up will appear on your screen. Now here, you will need to change this automatic to manual. Simply click on it and then select the manual option. So after selecting it in this pop-up, now you will need to toggle on IPv4 here, or you may also toggle on IPv6 if needed. Now after turning on, you will need to enter the preferred DNS address. Simply click on it and enter it. You may include Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS as per your choice. Now after entering it, click on the save button at the very bottom to apply the changes. Your DNS settings will be updated immediately after this, and it will also improve browsing speed, privacy or access to the blog sites. So this is how you can change the DNS settings in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.